For the Vial Retrieval Do Not Open quest, we need to enter the Imperial Testing Station number 2, find the vials, deliver, and contact issuer. This is super simple. Head across to Hagar Basin South, zooming in right near the center over here. So right here, you'll find the Imperial Testing Station number 2. Head into it from the south, all the way down, all the way, picking up ID cards as you need them, and making your way deeper until you eventually reach this room over here with a spiral staircase. Head down the spiral staircase, all the way into this room over here on the right with a red light all the way across, clearing out the enemies as we go. On your left, before we proceed too far, we'll find this room over here where we've got the blue ID badge, which we'll need. We can then continue all the way down to the end of this passageway where we'll find this rather green, smoky looking room. All we need to do is clear this out, beat this little mini boss over here, then head in. And right over here, you'll find this. This is the crate that we're looking for. Take all, and just like that, you've got the mysterious vials. Now we just need to head back. Alright, so returning our way back, there's about to be a sandstorm, so that's why there's so much dust. But anyways, let's hand in our quest. Handing it back, we're done. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name is Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.